Dear learners, welcome to MSBT online learning program. We bring you the most relevant content in the most attractive digital format for the course Digital Techniques, having the course code 22320. I am Mrs. Rita Vora, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department from Thakur Polytechnic, Mumbai. So today we will be studying a very interesting module of number system and codes, which is the binary arithmetic. So what shall we learn today? The following are the contents: binary arithmetic, binary addition, the rules of binary addition and few examples, binary subtraction, its rules and few examples, binary multiplication, its rules and examples, and binary division, a few examples. Let us see the concept map. In binary arithmetic, there are four operations: binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. The learning objectives are to perform binary arithmetic operations such as binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. Binary arithmetic is a very essential part of the digital computers and number of digital systems. There are certain rules which we need to apply when we are performing the arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on the binary number system. Binary addition. For binary addition is performed in a similar way as the addition in decimal system. And in fact, binary addition is much simpler and much easier. The four basic rules for binary addition are: consider the case 1 where 0 plus 0, the sum is 0 and the carry is also 0. Case 2, 0 plus 1, the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. Case 3, 1 plus 0, the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. All these three cases are similar to the addition in decimal systems. Now in case of case 4, 1 plus 1, the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. So here the 0 is written in the given column and the carry of 1 goes over to the next column. Examples on binary addition. The first one is 25 to the base 10 plus 5 to the base 10. We need to convert them into the binary numbers. 25 to the base 10, when you convert into binary, it is 11001. 5 to the base 10 converted into binary is 0101. The addition of these two numbers starts with the LSB column, where it is a 1 plus 1 which gives the sum as 0 and the carry is 1, which is transferred to the next higher order column. A 0 plus 0 plus a carry 1 will give 1 as the sum and the carry will be 0. In the next higher order column, a 0 plus 1 with carry 0 gives the sum as 1. In the next higher order column, the 1 plus 0 plus carry 0 gives the sum as 1. And in the MSB column, a 1 plus 0, which is where carry is 0, gives us a 1. So the answer comes to 11110, which is 30 decimal. Coming to the next example, 1011 binary number plus 1101 is also a binary number. Starting with the LSB column, a 1 plus 1 gives a sum 0 and a carry 1, which is carried forward to the next higher order column. A 1 plus 0 plus a 1 in the next column gives the sum as 0 and the carry is carried forward to the next higher order column. In the next column, 0 plus 1 gives the sum as 0 and the carry is 1, which is again carried forward in the MSB column. A 1 plus 1 plus 1 in the MSB column gives the sum as 1 and the carry as also 1. So the answer in binary is 11000. Binary subtraction. In binary subtraction, the two words that are frequently used are subtraction, or you say difference, and borrow. There are four rules for binary subtraction will be: for case 1, a 0 minus 0 gives the difference as 0 and the borrow as 0. Case 2 is 1 minus 0, the difference is 1 and the borrow is 0. These are similar to the subtraction for decimal numbers. But in case 3, it is a 0 minus 1. So when we try to subtract a 1 from a 0, then a 1 is borrowed from the next higher order column, which will leave a 0 in that column, and it will create a 1-0 binary number, which is a decimal number 2 in the column which is being subtracted. And hence the difference will be 1 and the borrow will be 1 for case 3. For case 4, 1 minus 1 gives a difference of 0 and a borrow is also 0. Consider the example on binary subtraction. The first example let us take as 14 to the base 10 minus 9 to the base 10. First of all, we have to convert the decimal numbers into the binary numbers. So 14 to the base 10 when converted to the binary number gives you 1, 1, 1, 0. And 9 to the base 10 when converted to a binary number gives 1, 0, 0, 1. Now for the subtraction, recollect the rules of binary subtraction. Let us start from the LSB column. 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 means the difference will be 1 and a borrow has to be taken from the next higher order column. So it becomes 1, 0 minus 1 and the difference will remain 1. In the next column, you can see 1 is striked out. So it will become a 0. 0 minus 0 will give you the 0. In the next column, 1 minus 0 will be 1. And finally in the MSB column, a 1 minus 1 gives you a 0. So the answer is 0, 1, 0, 1, which is 5 in decimal number system. The next example, you subtract 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 from 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Starting from the LSB column, a 1 minus 0 gives a difference as 1. A 1 minus 1 gives a difference as 0. 0 minus 0 will give you 0. 1 minus 0 gives you a 1. 1 minus 1 gives you a 0. 0 minus nothing will give you a 0. And finally in the MSB column, 1 minus nothing gives you a 1. So this is a very straightforward subtraction and the answer comes to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So now let's take the quiz. Binary multiplication. Binary multiplication is similar to decimal multiplication. It is simpler than decimal multiplication because here we are going to involve only zeros and ones. Let's talk about the 4 rules of binary multiplication. Case 1, 0 multiplied by 0 will give you a product as 0. Case 2, 0 multiplied by 1 will also give you a 0. Case 3, a 1 multiplied by 0 will give you a 0. And case 4, a 1 multiplied by 1 will give you a 1. Coming to the examples on binary multiplication. Let us take the example of 101 binary number is to be multiplied with 11 binary number. 101 multiplied by 11 is your multiplier and 101 is your multiplicand. Now you first start with the LSB of the multiplier. So you multiply 1 with 101. You shift left 1 position and then multiply the second bit of the multiplier, which is also 1, with 101. The addition of these two gives you a 1111, which is the binary answer for the multiplication of 102 multiplied by 11. Similarly, let us take the next example. 26 to the base 10 multiplied by 12 to the base 10. You first need to convert it into the binary form. So 26 to the base 10 can be written as 11010, whereas 12 to the base 10 can be written as 1100. 11010 is your multiplicand and 1100 is your multiplier. In the multiplier, the LSB bit is 0. So first you will multiply 0 with 11010 and you get all zeros. Now for the next bit of the multiplier, you need to shift left 1 position and you multiply 0 again with 11010, which will again give you all zeros. Coming to the third bit of the multiplier, which is a 1, you need to multiply with 11010 and you shift left 2 positions and write 11010. For the MSB bit of the multiplier, you first need to shift by 3 positions to the left and multiply 1 with 11010, and the addition of all these 4 rows gives you 100111000, which is 312 in the decimal number system. Binary division and its examples. Binary division is similar to decimal division, and it is also called as the long division procedure. Now let us take the first example where 11100 binary number is to be divided by 100 binary number. Now 11100 is the dividend and 100 is the divisor. In the dividend, the starting from the MSB bit, it is a 1. But 1 is less than 100, which is the divisor. So division is not possible. Taking the first 2 bits of the dividend, it is a 1, 1. Again we see 1, 1 is less than 100. So division is not possible. Taking the first 3 bits of the dividend, it is a 1, 1, 1. Now 1, 1, 1 is greater than 100. So we can do the division. 100, which is the divisor, can be multiplied either with a 0 or a 1. Now let us multiply 100 with 1. So we will write quotient as 1. Now subtracting 100 from 111 as is shown here, we will get 0, 1, 1. But again 1, 1 is less than 100. So as shown by the arrow, the next digit of the dividend is brought down, and hence we have 110. 110 is less than 100. So division can be carried out. Again 100 is multiplied with 1. So write another 1 as the quotient. Now 110 minus 100 will give 0100. 100 is equal to 100, and hence the division can be carried out. Again 100 is multiplied with 1, so write another 1 as the quotient. And now as you can see, 100 minus 100 gives the remainder as 000, and the quotient will be 111. So in this example, the quotient is 111 and the remainder is 000. Coming to the next example, 11001 is to be divided by 101. Again, both are binary numbers. Here the dividend is 11001 and the divisor is 101. The same steps like the previous problem is to be carried out over here till you get the remainder as 000. The quotient for this particular example, you will get it as 101 and the remainder will be 000. So today we learned binary arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then can be performed on the binary numbers, which is similar to arithmetic operations on decimal numbers. Binary arithmetic is much simpler compared to decimal arithmetic because in binary arithmetic we have to deal with only 2 digits, 0 and 1. It's now time for the quiz. Thank you.